What's the meaning of cell phone? Cell phone. Cell phone.
Cell phone. Cell phone. A cell phone is a portable electronic device used for telecommunications. It allows users to make and receive calls and send text messages, as well as access the internet, take photos, play music, and run various applications. The term cell refers to the geographical areas, or cells, served by cellular networks that connect phones to each other and to the broader telecommunications network. Cell phones have become ubiquitous in modern society, facilitating communication and productivity while also raising concerns about privacy, distraction, and addiction.